How to add full Excel sheet as a page in your existing Canva design. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So let me take one blank page as a presentations. Okay, so here we have page. So just assume this is our original design. Okay, uh, what you need to do, just go to the upload, and here you need to upload that Excel file from your device or computer. Here after upload you can see this design or file here, or you can see this uploaded file here. Now just hold your just come to this three dot options, and you can open this new tab. Okay, so it will be open the new tab. So this is your original design, right? So we have the that Excel sheet you can see in new tab. So what you need to do now, okay, so this maybe this option may be disabled on you if you using the first time. Just click on this, it will be enabled like this. Now this Excel sheet page or file will be look like this. Now go to the three dot option, copy this. Here come to the original design, and here you need to just simply paste or hit the Control plus V from your keyboard. So now you can see this is our original page, and this is our original another. This is our Excel sheet page which we have import from this tab. Okay, so this is how you can now you can see this as a page. This is a full Excel sheet as a page in your original design. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.